Hi everyone. We're actually in a busy in the middle of debugging something. Last time we tried to get the LLM to produce some actions. Specifically, we want the LLM to move characters. So for those of you who are a little bit aware of the prompt engineering techniques, that probably involves the output of very structured JSON data, which is what we are working on right now. That is the context. Okay. So today we're going to continue trying to get the LLM to produce some meaningful actions. Okay, that's basically what we're doing. So where are we?
Sorry, were you talking to
Yeah.
me?
Sorry, Emily's in the middle of something. Let me try to recall. So last time we tried this zero-shot approach with Mistral instruct. This is the actual prompt we used. We tried to get Mistral to write a how should I say, write an action, like outputs an action based on all the context we fed into it. For example, what's your role? What character are you playing? Okay, you're a writer. You are a character writer for a game, and blah blah blah. Your job is to produce either speak or action, or produce an action based on the current context that the character is in. But apparently, it's not very well written, or either Mistral sucks or it's not very well written in like prompt, because it is not working very well, because it always tends to output some extra stuff that we don't need. Let me show you what I mean right now. If I run that prompt, so it's gonna kick off a series of like complex workflows behind the scenes. But then the instruction response, then we see a parse error here. Okay, the gigantic parse error. The reason is because I don't even know what the reason is. Wait, it was kind of halfway cut off here. Wait, what's going on here? And we got some like validation error and stuff. Okay, let me just reset clear and run this again. Okay, we got that error again. So based on this gigantic response, like a prompt, which is in the green, we got a response, and the response consists of, okay, I don't think I'm printing out the response like fully. Let me just correct that. So instead of doing this, let me just console log the message. Logging the message here, just gonna cleanly log the final message. Maybe give it in the color so that we can sort of distinguish. I'm gonna give it a blue, light blue, blue. Yes. What's the library are we using? Oh, ANSYS. Okay. Okay, let's try this. So, okay, it's done a few instructions. So this is the blue part it outputs. The problem is, at the beginning, JSON outputs fine, but it keeps outputting some other extra stuff in here. After the conversation with the white old man, okay, I wanted the premise. I think our premise was what's our premise? The premise is your job is to play the role of a supporting actor, Jeremy. Jeremy has a sarcastic streak, but deep down he's kind but helpful. What's in the vicinity? This is like the list of things in the game environment. We have an object, that's a mysterious artifact. Description is a glowing, ancient-looking artifact rests on a pedestal. And the position is 5 meters ahead. And the type of person is wise old man. Wait, is this part of our prompt?
Yes, that was part of the example.
Did you hand code this?
I don't think so. That was if you go,
Well,
yeah, that's
oh yeah, okay. Oh, that's why it keeps walking up to the wise old man. I see. Okay. Should we change this?
I think.
Anyway, an elderly man with a long whiteboard standard near the artifact, position 6 meters ahead. Okay. Should we just like set this whole prompt up properly and maybe just rewrite the whole thing?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying. I don't like how we set up the vicinity and actions allowed.
Okay.
So I'm basically trying something else. You are a character writer.
Okay, let me try to continue dissecting what could have been wrong. Okay, inside of prompt, you include a list of things that's already there. Okay, in a gaming environment, and you prescribe a list of actions that is allowed in the game for the game to choose from, for the LLM to choose from, and then you list all the rules. The character needs to be close to a person in order to talk to them. The character needs to be close to an object in order to inspect and perform action on it. You can perform only one action at a time. Output a response formatting JSON. Okay, I think the problem is you can perform only one action at a time. This is kind of sort of interfering with, yeah, I don't know. It's weird. Your response in JSON format adhering to the format defining actions allowed. Okay, let me try one thing. Example JSON response. And here is the example JSON response. And then your JSON response. Okay. I'm going to tell it explicitly. Okay. Outside of slash instruct and instruct is an example JSON response. And see if it actually follows it. Wait, I think it worked. Oh no, it didn't. Okay, it's still. I don't even know this is from previous output. What? Okay, let me try again. Yep. Okay. So this time, it keeps outputting more stuff. Okay, like that. So the first response, let's take a closer look at its response. Okay, so the first action it chooses to do is talk. Hey there, ancient artifact. Fancy seeing you in this fine place. Or maybe just me who's stuck in the past. And okay, I don't think it works very well because it talks and it also specifies a destination. This is totally messed up. I don't think it understands what it tries to do. Okay, and then it says, or you can do this: talk and destination. Okay, yeah, that's not very good. That's not very good at all. Let me yeah, I think this is probably too complicated for the parse. I don't think it understands that. I defined allowed action as some kind of a JSON schema format. I think it's too complicated for the 7B model to understand, quite honestly. So what can we do to improve this?
Give me 1 sec. I'm still trying to set up this prompt here. Character name. And character name should be role. Context should be directive. What's in the vicinity shouldn't change. Allowed action. Also jump. Okay, moments of truth. Let me test if this will work.
I think we will have to fundamentally change this, like drastically simplify it. I think it's overstretching the capacity of a 7B model. That's my guess.
Right. Wait. 1 second. I kept getting sorry. I don't understand. That's not right. Let me quickly go back to the printout. Response. Why is it saying so much? Let's see. You're a character writer for a game. Character name, context, allowed action. Maybe we're giving too long of a example.
I don't think we'll give it any sample yet.
Yeah, prompt engineering is very, very tricky.
Okay, let me try this. Just get rid of the instructions. All right, and then /instruct your JSON instruction. Okay, how about I just treat the whole thing as instruct? Okay, Okay, not working. Oh wait, did it work?
Is it working?
First time it was working. Let's try again. Yes, it's working. Oh no, not yet. It's still like still gives you some extra stuff. No, it's not quite working. It still gives you extra stuff.
Your task is to write the actions for the character.
Okay, let me go back to this. I'm just gonna wipe the whole thing out and write a very minimalistic thing to get it work first. First, I'm gonna start with a start of string and end of string signal, and start off a instruction. You are a character. You are a. Oh, and also our premise is that you are a writer. That is probably not correct as well. So I'm going to change that to you are a helpful assistant. Your job is to produce. At a very outset, I make it very clear. JSON response of a game character based on the context provided for you. Okay, and then next thing I'm gonna write is context. Context is this. Actions allowed. Actions allowed like this. So JSON string file. I'm still gonna reuse that actions allowed array, just hoping that it can sort of understand this. And then context, I'm gonna hard code a context, like say Jeremy walks into a room and sees a mysterious artifact and a wise old man. Sure. That's the context. Okay. Actions allowed. And then I think this is the part like example of JSON response / instruct speaker role. No, not this one. Let me see. The actions allowed. You can walk. You can talk. Action. Walk. Destination. Somewhere. And then now let me think. Instruct your JSON response / instruct. Okay, I just sort of clean the whole thing up and see if it's still quite similar to what I had before, but let's see if we can. Anything improves. Okay, apparently no. Let's see what the problem is. Yeah, the problem is still the same. It's still kind of it keeps hallucinating more stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna try one shot. Okay, so your help assistant, your job is to produce blah blah blah. Wait, I got an extra slash instructor. It's weird. Okay. Let me try this because I just had a typo. Action talk. Okay. Message. Hello, why? Okay, that's not bad. Let's try again. Okay, this failed. Let's see what the problem is. Action talk. Wait, it kind of works.
Oh, really?
It's just that I don't think I'm. What's the expected format? Oh, I forgot from. Okay, I see from. Okay, let me actually. I'm not gonna do it here, but let me gem prompt. I'm gonna go back to this gem prompt, and you have response actions equals to message actions. I see. Okay, action. So I just asked it to generate only one action. And then let me see if it can parse this property. Message, string, type walk, type talk, destination. What is the typing error? This is not assigned to that. Let me see. So action equals to parse JSON response. Oh, you already have this because you kind of forced an array onto that. Okay, I remember now.
Holy shit. I think oh, sorry. Apologies for my French. I think I got it.
Okay.
Okay, so what I
You
have
want to share your screen?
Yeah, what I have right now is still very buggy. All I'm getting is talk, but at least I'm not getting any parsing error at the moment. One sec. Entire screen. Share. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, so I've already progressed to scene number 2.
Oh, can you make everything bigger?
Oh yeah. Oi, that
Even
is
bigger. Okay, good, thanks.
okay. So let's maybe go back to scene number 1. Is it capable of going back even? I don't know why, but it kept getting stuck on scene number 2, whatever. So what you can see here is Morgan, Jeremy, Guy, and they just kept talking without walking or jumping. So Morgan, hello, wise old man. Again, they're talking to the wrong person, but Jeremy, hey old man. Guy, hi there, wise old man. Again, hello, wise old man. So it seems like they don't know what exactly is going on. Like they're not talking to each other, but they're all talking to the wise old man. But the point is, I'm not getting any parsing error. So
Okay.
that's I think that's a good starting point in terms of getting to them to properly talk to each other. So what I did here was so I tried to do the one-shot example because we just saw, I think I heard from the background saying if we don't do the one-shot, then it's still going to hallucinate and give you random garbage.
Yeah.
So in order to construct this one-shot example, first I have the beginning of string special token and ending of string special token here. So essentially what you see before line 133 is my one-shot example. And I want to construct my one-shot example as the instruction part contains you are a helpful assistant. Your job is to use the provided character name, context, vicinity information, allowed actions to return an enriched action using one of the allowed actions. Now, character name, Emily, context, whatever, and then vicinity information, mysterious litter box, because again, the context says something about cats. And then the allowed actions here would be walk towards a destination or talk with a message. Now, the above example would output the following JSON, and
Okay. Nice. Nice. Nice.
this concludes the instruction part of my one-shot example. And then right before my ending of sentence special token, I have the desired output, which is just a plain JSON where type walk, which corresponds to here, and then the destination gets replaced by the object name.
Okay. Cool.
Also, I think before there was a comma here, and I think this comma might be causing JSON parsing error as well. Not sure.
Oh, really?
Not sure exact because I mean, if you put this into a TypeScript object, obviously when you do auto format, they're gonna add a comma for you. But I forgot what we're trying to parse. So when we try to do parse JSON response JSON.parse, I believe let's maybe do a quick example. If we go to console, console. So I just want to try JSON.parse. Let's say we have a string of A goes to 1, comma, and then ending. So that will give you an error. However, if we remove that, it will successfully parse.
Mm-hmm.
Not sure how big of a role that comma played, but apparently removing it sort of helped. So again, that was our one-shot example. Now going to our new instruction, which is basically the instruction for the current role. So again, following a similar structure, we have character name, which will be role, and this will either be Morgan or Jeremy or Guy. And the context here, I modified the context a little bit. If you can see here, before we have your job is to play the role of our main character, but I don't think the first sentence is necessary here because we've already specified you are a helpful assistant. So again, we can try bringing this line back, but I just feel like there's no point confusing the model.
Okay.
So again, I want to go back to my gen prompt. Where were we earlier? Right, we were talking about the new instruction for the current turn. So character name, context, vicinity information. This is basically whatever we set up. If we take a quick look, so I didn't change anything about this. That's why they kept talking to the wise old man, because there is a person here. And then the allowed actions, for example, we're doing walk or talk or jump.
That's a lot more clean than before. Yes.
For some reason, they really like talking. Nobody wants to walk or jump. So
Maybe.
yeah, we still need to keep modifying it.
Yeah.
But yeah.
All right. Cool. Okay. do you want to commit before anything? Commit
Yeah.
your changes before we make further change and break it again?
1 sec. Let me just quickly see what I've already changed. Directive by role, and then we have the gem prompt, which is mostly modified, and then I removed a bunch of comments because it's just annoying to look at.
Mm-hmm.
So sort of working one-shot prompt.
Yeah. Cool.
All right. Let me just stop sharing then.
Well, I want you to keep going. Okay.
Oh,
Sure.
sure. Let me. Oh, go ahead. Go
You
ahead.
want to share? Or I'm me share.
You can share.
Okay. Let me test out on my computer. Okay.
Okay. Drum roll. Boom, 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 boom.
Wait, what did I change? Okay, let me just get rid of everything I changed. It's all pointless, meaningless. All right. Let's see. Nice.
So far, so good.
But they can't. Oh, I know why they can't get past 𝗟𝗲𝗃𝗃 because the context doesn't, the accumulated context doesn't go back because they're not aware of the conversation history.
Okay.
So maybe. But here's the challenge though. If we add into the conversation history, you probably need to modify our one shot as well.
Yeah, for sure.
Right? Okay. So let's try this. Like, okay, what's the next thing to try? Conversation history.
Yes.
All right.
Wait, actually, I thought we had conversation history before. What happened to our old
Yeah, you see, state is just entirely unused here right now.
Okay.
So, what is game state? Okay, what do we need? I think the context needs to be a little bit more complex here now. So
Probably, yeah. So for example,
let me kind of try to model this after Emily loves
I
cat.
think at the minimum you need current summary and
Oh, cool. This.
do we just
Current summary. Yeah.
wait, 1 sec. Do we just need the bare minimum or do we wanna use the full game state?
I don't know. I would guess it has some level of tolerance. I would think.
Okay.
Okay, let me try here. Okay. Actions. Okay, what is action? So it's message and type. Okay. Type is walk. She's a cat lover and she always surrounded by cats. All right. And then the first action is action walk.
You might just want to copy something from that green part.
Cat. What do you mean? No, but this is the one shot. This is like should be totally unrelated to whatever.
Oh, really? Okay.
Like this. It should be something like this.
My only concern is your recent history is supposed to be a character, colon, an array, type walk.
Wait, there's a character.
Like
Speaker. Sorry,
if
speaker.
you look at your console,
Oh, speaker actions. Okay, sure. I can change that. Speak. it's like speaker cat, and then actions like this, right?
Is it? Oh yeah, type walk, I think.
With the I think the response with the wait vicinity information. I think these two got sort of confused. What's going on here?
So, vicinity information is sort of something we added so that they can walk to something. But do we really need it at the moment?
I mean, for the one shot example.
Like for our setup, do we need vicinity information?
Oh yeah, we will.
Okay,
Because
then let's
it
include it.
needs to eventually. Right now, it's a little bit over engineered, but eventually it needs to be spatially aware.
Okay.
I think we do, unless we don't. But I think we do.
Yeah.
Okay. Vicinity information, type person, name Emily, description, Emily the cat lover, position.
5 meters ahead. Yeah, that's fine.
What does it mean? 5 meters. Okay, sure. Okay.
Position nearby or something.
Type. I feel tempted to add another thing. Cat. A black cat.
I mean, if you have the speaker cat, then technically cat is a type of character. What if you change the two?
Sure. Just person.
Sure.
Just for now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Just quickly go back to your recent history. Is that the right shape, actions, type? Speaker, cat, actions. Okay.
All right. Or should I do it your way, like this way?
No, I think this is fine.
Oh,
So
okay. Let me. Okay, let me. I think you have a point. Let me just do it in a very strict way, just to avoid surprises. Like that.
I felt like whatever you had before was good enough.
Like this. Okay.
Sure.
And then, oh jeez. Yeah. Let me,
Just do JSON stringify. That's fine.
vicinity information, allow action, and then would.
So this maybe let's give it
Oh, actually, there's another thing we didn't. Oh, character name is Emily. Should I now change the cat walks to Emily? Like, what does Emily do? That's
Emily talk.
Sure, talk.
And then change destination to message. Hello.
Hey. How about
that? Something else. Oh, hey there. What did you break today?
What's that?
What did you break today? Oh, what did you bring me today? Sure. This is friendly.
Does that even make sense? Okay, sure.
Yeah, whatever. Like the point is to give some sensible interaction between a person and a cat.
Okay. That's right.
So now your context will have to add the.
Oh, right. We see.
How did you structure the context again? Okay.
It's just giant JSON. Just dumped it there.
Yeah. So instead of the directive, you can. Oh, you can actually add it to your directive, probably. Wait.
How about you put the directive to. to the character under the character. Okay. Okay, let's just add it, or maybe add one more thing, character description or something.
Sure. Yeah, that's it. So similarly, on the very first line of your prompt instruction, add character description after character name.
Like this. Wait, sorry.
So go back to line at the beginning of context, line 111. Your job is to use provider character name, comma, character description, comma, context.
All right, cool.
Now we're missing context in our current after character description. I don't know if, but yeah.
I think usually it doesn't matter, but sure. That's just no surprises. Okay. We don't know.
Yeah.
We don't know.
You should change this to state instead of copy the Emily cats again.
Say again?
164.
Yeah, good catch. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. State.
Yes.
I think we're gonna get a context window too large error, but let's see. If we don't,
the context window might get bigger and bigger though.
Mistral, I think, is capable of handling like 128K context or something. Oh, what was that?
I did see a parsing error, and they went back to talking to the old man again. Type talk message.
Yeah, it has a little bit extra stuff here, assuming.
Like the entire structure is wrong. So probably.
What do you mean structure is wrong?
You see in the response, the place you highlighted, it has already generated a proper type talk message, but then it went ahead and added or if Morgan's feeling.
Yeah, that's an old problem. That's what we had before.
So what if we sort of half-ass resolve it by parsing for the first ending bracket?
I think that's what we are doing, actually.
I think we're parsing for the last ending bracket. If you go
I don't know. Let me see. Okay, fine. But okay, let's examine the whole history. Okay, first one went fine. Okay, second one is fine. Okay, let's see. This is what actually generates. Okay, Jeremy, what the hell is going on with the oxygen indicator? Talk. Hey guys, I noticed something unusual. There's a I think we're giving the language model a super hard time. There's like oxygen leaking and there's like mysterious object appearing. What the fuck? Okay. All right. And then the third thing, talk. Oh yeah, they prefer to talk. Hey guys, I'm going to check out artifact to see if it has anything to do with oxygen levels. Wow.
I think it's getting better now.
Okay, the fourth one failed. Okay. Let's approach the old man and ask blah blah blah. And fifth one, sixth one, they all went fine. I think it's just one time.
Yeah, just let's try on line 185. Like the parse JSON response function, change last index of to index of.
Can we? Okay, I think that's the last resort. I don't like. Can we first exhaust what do we have right now, and then if everything fails, we do the monkey patch.
Okay.
I think a typical thing you see a lot of the prompts I saw is that respond with only the JSON. And
you have an extra O in your 𝗉桑.
𝗉桑. And nothing else. I see this a lot. Maybe it works.
Oh, right. I saw this in Do Not Hit Tab. I saw this in the example as well, because if you hit tab, it was auto-suggesting ending S. Yeah.
What do you mean do not hit tab? Yeah.
Yeah. Like
let me try this. If it works, it works. Then we do the duct tape solution. Okay.
Hopefully it will work.
It works.
So far, so good.
But no walking. Nobody wants to walk. I found an old man. I'll keep searching the old man. Because every episode, there's a wise old man and there's a mysterious object.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So either next time or some other time, we'll have to change the vicinity.
Wait,
so
what's
that
going
has
on here?
to be...
What is this? I think
What's going on here?
Hey, old. Why is it old?
Yeah, I think the vicinity information is way too strong.
What is too strong? Oh my god. Okay, wait. What's going on here? Okay, let me kill this. Greetings, wise elder. Can you tell us about a mysterious artifact? Hey, old man. They stopped talking to each other. What's going on? Okay. 23 astronaut Morgan, Jamie, and the guy experience a crisis in space where the spaceship oxygen tank malfunctions. Scene 1, despite the survive, they work diligently to repair the damaged tank. However, wait. How come none of us talk about wise old man? What's going on? Now in the summary, there's no wise old man. Why is that?
Summary doesn't know about wise old man.
Why not? I see. Okay, so it only is aware about, like, they talk about wise old man and they talk about gibberish about mysterious objects, because that information was never leaked outside of a character worker. It's not part of the state.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what do we do now?
I think the proper way to set up vicinity information is to have that coming from supervisor. So instead of having a wise old man all the time, maybe you're supposed to have the 3 characters. Actually, let's start with that. What if we change vicinity to Guy, Jeremy, and Morgan? Would that help?
Okay, yeah, let's try. Or maybe add a spaceship remote.
Sure.
Something like.
I guess also an oxygen tank somewhere.
Every single episode there will be oxygen.
Oh yeah, that's gonna bring us back to the old problem.
You're right. I think that should come from the supervisor.
But let's
100% correct.
try the 3 character first. See if that will help. You can probably just use a directive by role, Jeremy.
𝗏. Oh, you mean
a tall, kind person.
Okay, I think this is what you mean. So sort of like this.
Person 5 meters ahead. Yes. Although position maybe position on a planet or something.
I think you kind of should give them a little diversity of position. Okay, let me try this.
Next to the next person.
No, I mean just this. I don't know.
Okay. You might want to use the tick.
That good?
Yeah.
And then one extra thing, which is what?
Object, spaceship, sort of. Now you're gonna have every conversation talking about this weird tree.
Oh my God.
Try it.
Oh. Yo, what else?
Sure, a big rock. Oh my gosh. I think this is enough.
Oh my God. Okay. They still like choose to talk. They don't do much.
I think now they're back to the oxygen tank issue.
So they ignore the tree and the rock.
Come on, Morgan. Wait, Morgan. Come on, Morgan. We'll get through this. Your courage and prudence will guide us. Why is Morgan talking to herself?
Jeremy, come on, guy. Morgan, come on, team. Guy, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean. Oh yeah, Jeremy's character is like he messes things up.
Okay.
Come on, guy. Come on, team. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? Oh. Did I reset everything?
I think so.
Okay, so from the very beginning, 3 actions around the oxygen. Or suffocate.
Also, why is Jeremy talking 2 times at the beginning always?
I think the
That's
first.
the conversation starter.
Yeah.
We started with Jeremy.
Yep, I think I hard coded it.
Okay.
Like this. Okay.
Whatever. Okay.
Change the guy, for example. I can't believe this ignored the rock. Okay, let's try this. Try wrench. Okay. And see. What the?
That would be interesting, to be honest.
What else? Wrench and the spacesuit.
Sure. Something to help fix the oxygen tank.
Well, if we're running out of oxygen, I guess a good time to start panicking and make things worse. That's a sarcastic one. Okay. Hey, guy, I found the solution to fix oxygen. Let's just mess up. What? Oh, mess this up. Okay.
Okay.
Guys, let's take a deep breath and focus on if we can fix the oxygen problem. It's kind of repetitive. Come on, guys. Yeah. Let me give it a try. Let's focus. Yeah, that's not very good. What? I think the quality of conversation has kind of dropped.
I wonder if we Yeah, I still think letting one agent handling all sorts of actions is too much, maybe.
Okay. But it has a one job, writing characters. It's not doing its job.
To be fair, what if in the in line 157 and 158 we give it a walk example?
That's what I was thinking. Should we try allow two actions and see what happens?
Only allow two actions?
Like,
Yeah, I think that works. As long as you structure your JSON properly. So type walk, destination cat, type talk, message, oh hey there.
okay. Then
In your parse JSON,
yeah. Gotta change the parse JSON.
I wonder if you still need that start and end index and just try to parse the whole thing. Would that be stretching it?
I don't think so. We haven't had any errors so far. Oh, maybe just to be extra safe, I do a trim. That's it.
Okay.
Oh no. What the hell?
So let's see what's happening here. Type. Oh, I think it's conflicting with you can only make one actions.
But I don't think you have that.
I have that. To an enriched action using one of the to to return an array of.
Is that smart? Of enriched actions. From
From the allowed actions.
really?
Type walk, destination cat, type talk. Okay. Bum 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 bum.
Oh, you're right. So it's actually really good at receiving instructions. We just didn't use it.
Yeah. But then now everybody talk and then walk. Talk and then walk.
Oh no, something.
Whoops.
I think I saw an error.
Talk, message, type.
Wait, did it get cut off?
No, I think it was just trying to generate two JSONs.
Okay. Okay, let's see what it generated. Okay. Type talk, type walk.
Destination tree. Well, you called for it.
Okay, this is not good.
I mean, to be fair, hey guy, let's see what Jeremy said.
Oh, okay.
I think he said, hey guy, why don't you try fixing instead of just complaining about it? I mean, he could be walking towards the tree to kick it.
Wait, destination oxygen indicator.
Amazing.
But that's not what we wanted.
But I mean, that's the.
We never restrict it to objects only within the vicinity, do we?
But we never defined. Wait, go back to the one-shot example. When walk towards cat.
I think walk is very strong. Let's I want to try one thing. Okay, just bear with me. Okay.
Okay.
Where are the allowed action? Okay, this one we're not using. So
Yeah, you can remove that.
get rid of that. Actions allowed. I just want to see.
Okay.
If there's enough diversity.
Okay.
Oh no, I talk, then I pet. How about that?
Sure.
The target.
I guess in that case, you can even remove talk from your one-shot example.
Okay. Oh wait, what happened?
Something's off. Oh, so sometimes it still tries to explain it.
Oh no. Did I ask you the response with JSON but nothing else? Yep. But how come I added the pet and it kind of just broke it? That's weird.
I don't know if this will help, but try doing JSON.stringify.
Oh, by the way, I think we gotta repeat allowed actions. Oh yeah. Oh, we do. Okay.
Yeah, we did.
How do JSON string?
Like in your one-shot
Oh.
answer, try wrapping it in a JSON stringify.
Like that.
Yeah.
Nope.
It
just kind of broke.
Yeah, I guess JSON didn't really help.
All right, let's see. What's the response? Blah blah blah. Wait, this is not not returning JSON at all.
Looks like we might have to. So when we provide the answer, what if we put the square bracket on one line and then the curly bracket on one line?
So essentially this.
Sort of like giving it more of a structure.
That's just that's not proper engineering, man. That's something. This is so finicky. This is like, oh wow.
Yeah.
You're right.
Seriously? But how? What? How? Do they, when they train the model, do they really care about the white spaces?
I don't know.
Because if you look back at that prompt engineering page, they did put the brackets on one single line. Yeah, occasionally you'll still get the parsing exception.
Oh, you still got this. Sorry.
It's like not perfect, but
I got a feeling if we do 2 shots, it's just more data. Okay. Let's try this. Okay. Guy, what the hell is going on with the oxygen indicator? Why don't you turn the oxygen? Blah blah blah. type talk Morgan have generated 2 responses. Interesting.
This guy talks.
Wait, they both each of them generated 2 responses. I think your example, I think it's supposed to generate 1 or more okay.
So I guess allowed actions to return in. You can only use each action once at most.
I don't think it will sorry, that's not.
Use each allowed action at most once.
This is the part that I
I still see them trying to talk 2 times.
Yep. I don't think you can enforce that. Type talk. Talk. Yeah, it's talk. Where did you see 2 talks? Oh, here. Talk and walk.
Yeah.
Talk and walk. Yes.
Wait, is this? Oh, this is still scene number 1. Maybe I missed. Yeah, I probably
Talk.
combined the 2 talks from 2 characters.
Okay. Here. Wait.
Yes.
Okay. Can I try 2 shots?
To be fair, even in this 2 talks example, one time he's talking to Guy, one time he's talking to Morgan.
So you think it's legitimate?
It's hard to say, but it's improvement from last time.
Okay. Can I just try 2 shots? I really want to try 2 shots.
Okay.
Let me just try. Try and see. Because more like the standard is few shot. Okay, it's few shot. Let's try. This is the entire example. Okay.
Yeah, I think you just need to copy whatever that's in the bracket S.
This.
Until the first line, like even so, right after that tick, context equals tick. S.
Really, the whole thing?
I mean,
I don't think you need the whole thing.
S indicates beginning and ending of the example. No.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean, but I see what you mean, but okay. Yeah, or I just leave out the S. Okay, I'm not gonna include the S. I'm gonna. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this. Leave out the S and do example 1. Okay. So the overall structure is like const 1 equals to the whole thing.
Okay.
And then I can do another one, right? Should be like this, example 2.
I believe so. Yeah.
Okay, let's try this example.
So your example 2, don't you still need the instruction part?
I don't think so.
But then technically your example 1 is a partial instruction.
Yeah,
So,
I know. I know what you mean. My understanding though is that for one shot, for few shot, what
Okay.
I see instructions always usually repeated once at the top.
Oh, okay.
And then the instruct/instruct part is just to give the machine an easier time. It's sort of like you use ChatGPT, and the first time you give a long instruction, you're like, okay,
Okay.
now do this. And then it gives a response. And then next time you don't have to copy and paste the instruction, and you just give it another thing. And it kind of say, oh, I see what you mean. Like you
Okay.
want me to keep doing this.
Okay, let's try.
All right. Example 2.
Just a small question. In the context variable,
Yeah.
it does have the beginning instruction indicator, like the square bracket INST. See online.
I see.
So maybe move everything into example 1, leaving only the beginning of sentence. Why did you remove that?
I want to move this to example 1. No?
I mean 196, line 196, whatever that's including and after INST.
Yeah.
All of those should go into our example 1.
It's kind of messy.
Or
okay, fine. Let's keep saying. Okay, how about I just include this whole thing in example 1? You know what?
yeah, I guess my point is just keep your beginning ending sentence token consistent. If you put the beginning token there, yeah.
And then I move this back in here as well. Okay. Let me move this. Okay, so example 1.
Mm-hmm.
That's the end of example.
Over scrolled, I think.
One.
Yeah, here.
Like this. Example 2. And the end of example 2.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I'm going to call, just semantically, trying to be semantically correct, I'm going to call example 1. Okay. Good.
Okay.
Example 2. Okay, what do we do with example 2? Example 1 is this. I think example 2 needs to be drastically different from example 1.
Probably. So character name. Sure.
Oh my god.
Maybe nothing about cat. Yeah.
Not green.
Really?
Why not? Because I remember this, at some point there was a black something.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Speaker.
Action. Shoot.
Target. Are you supposed to use destination though? Oh, I just realized you have a typo. Destination.
Wait, is that a reason? No. Actually, that's correct. Walk destination.
DS.
Is that the reason why the whole thing broke?
Don't tell me it's caused by a small typo.
No, I don't. I think so. Like, okay, let me try to finish constructing this, then we can sort of swap in and out these things. Speaker bear. Oh, yeah. Give me okay. Given this, and Frodo did that. Okay.
Mm-hmm. I guess you can do shoot target as well. Type talk.
Talk first and mouth. Okay, maybe not mouth, attack.
Yeah. Just change the first one to type talk, message, yummy human.
This is horrible. Okay. And then what?
And then line 161, either fix destination or change it to some other. Yeah. Okay.
Vicinity information, name Frodo. Hobbit position. 20 meter, 33 meter ahead, and maybe this person, bear. Destination. Okay, action.
I wonder if it helps to do 33 meters ahead of the bear and then 2 meters behind the Frodo or something.
Like this.
The relative position. Yeah.
Sure. Type attack.
Target, sample target, and then you also have the talk, message, sample message. Did it have something else? Yeah, I think that's it.
Talk and bear. Wait. No. The example is not correct. Frodo shoots the bear. Bear attacks Frodo. And Frodo responds. Okay. How about that?
Yeah. And then Frodo responds with and then maybe attack. Yeah, let's do this.
Yeah, try. Okay, I just wanna see if the whole context generated is actually correct. Okay, I'm gonna print this out. Actually, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna change that to prompt. Prompt. Okay. Prompt to console log green. No.
Oh,
What?
wait, it didn't even generate a response?
Yeah, type talk. Why does it keep generating this stuff?
Expected. What if in the prompt we say make sure it's an array JSON?
Oh, what's going on here? Oh,
I think we didn't format the spaces.
Let me try this. Okay, let me try this. We have example 2 here. Oh yeah, these have some like really nasty spaces. So let me.
Yeah, maybe for the entire example 2, do a back tab.
And same as example 1.
Yeah.
Horrendous. Okay, I want to do one more thing.
Okay.
I want to just wrap this with just to make it super clear. Okay.
Okay.
This is horrible. Okay. Actions. Okay. Let's try.
I
There's
think
no yeah.
some places you still have the one space indentation.
Where?
If you just slowly scroll up, up a bit more. So far so good, and then keep going up. Yeah, 88. Cool.
Wow, this is super complex.
Yeah, prompt engineering is not easy.
Nope. Expected array. Oh, right, of course, because we are. Okay.
So it
the parsing.
parse JSON, and then we want to return dot actions. Okay. Oi, JSON parse is very brute force.
Maybe it's because we change two things at times, so we don't even know what which is space or. Oh wow. Okay. Oh. Okay. Did you see error?
Not yet.
Okay. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay. Let me stop printing it.
Yeah, you have too much stuff printed out.
But so far so good.
Don't jinx it.
They're having a meaningful conversation.
The timing is just impeccable.
Damn.
So what was the error? Let's take a
Oh,
look.
actually, I think the error is it's not a parse error. Oh, it's the something else. It's not the LLM's fault. I don't think so.
Really? But how come it's not LM's fault?
Because there's some because this is the stream parsing error. This is not the LLM parsing error.
Oh.
Right. So let me see what went wrong.
No. Go back. That's not a complete JSON.
Which one?
The response.
Erroneous output data, actions, type, message, type, check.
Ah.
It's hallucinating actions.
Right.
That's another problem.
So what if we I was about to suggest make it super generic, but I think that's going to cause even more trouble.
But it's a good improvement. Okay, let me commit this. I think it's a good improvement. So
yeah, I agree. It's definitely a lot better than last
check,
Saturday.
walk, talk, pet. Check, a talk, attack. So what's our allowed actions here? Talk, walk, jump.
Oh, okay.
Talk, walk, jump. Okay. So not LLM's fault. So not LLM was doing fine. Okay. So recent history guy. Wait, why does recent history look like this? Weird.
It is. So we reformatted
Oh,
it to speaker actions.
no, yeah, yeah. It's just for printing. Okay.
Yeah.
Jeremy. Okay, let's check out what he output. Okay. Hey guy, why don't you focus on fixing the oxygen tank instead of asking questions?
Actually,
Now,
I'm gonna BRB in 2 minutes.
all right. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to disrupt the flow. Let me help fix the oxygen instead. Type talk. What do you think we need to do to fix this? Morgan. Am I the only one here? Okay, Kai is still there. Let's focus on fixing oxygen tank, guy. What do we need to do? Come on, guy. Let's focus and see what you can figure out what's wrong with oxygen tank. Morgan, do you have any ideas how to fix this? I think I remember reading something about checking the valve and the seal. Should we do that? Let's focus. Ah, Jesus. What do we need to check first? Let's just check. Morgan, I agree. Let's check the valves and seal first. And guy, let me help you fix the oxygen tank. I'm really sorry my previous distractions. Wait, what? That's weird.
What's going on here?
Other than being super repetitive, is like less focus, less focus, less focus. I think it's sort of okay.
And what is this massive error?
The massive error because there's action called.
Oh, that's the same one. Check. Okay.
So
I like how it's trying to invent types and valves.
maybe that should be allowed.
Maybe that should be allowed and have another agent keeping track of all the actions proposed so far.
Then what do you do with it? Like the game doesn't support it. How do you perform a check actually? Or
Ah,
maybe you can pretend to decompose. You have some like basic units of actions such as walk, move, do this, do that.
yeah, yeah. Or maybe it's time to introduce a critique, sort of.
Yep, that maybe. Okay, but what was I gonna say? Like, okay, we haven't kind of really. We didn't give. Oh, what's in the vicinity again?
Vicinity is tree, rock, Jeremy Morgan guy.
Yeah, let's try wrench. Just try to give you some like more richer context.
Yeah,
10 meters north or whatever. That doesn't matter. I don't think it actually is. What else?
uh,
Control interface. Yeah, sure.
do you even need the position?
Doesn't hurt because we're gonna need it.
Okay,
We're
okay.
gonna. Okay, one more thing. Okay, what else? Sure.
Yeah,
And allowed action. Just give it a bit more stuff to work with. How about that?
sure.
Okay, let's try this first. One thing at a time. Okay.
By the way, I'm wondering if we should print out all those things at the beginning of each job.
Wait, I'm sorry, I don't understand. What? Should we bring out the what?
Like
This is a personal.
remember when you first start the job, there's a bunch of added job workers started. Is it necessary to print out everything at the beginning? Like, yeah, exactly this.
Yes.
It feels a bit overwhelming from a user standpoint. Honestly, all these can just be reflected in the graph.
Okay, fine. We can
Yeah.
get rid of it.
Or set it to debug level.
Yep. Set debug. Yeah, that's actually the correct solution. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, do it again.
It's actually quite surprising, honestly. I didn't expect instructions to be so powerful.
What? That's the whole point. That's why everybody's like so crazy about RAG and all that. That's the whole reason.
Yeah, I mean, RAG is RAG, instruction is instruction. I can understand how RAG makes the retrieved answer more accurate, but it's kind of interesting seeing how instructions work.
Okay. Type talk. Hey guy, I see we're having trouble with the oxygen intake. Oh yeah, they're taking advantage of the stuff.
Nice.
That was my feeling. I think you give it more thing to work with, it might
So
be start make sense.
it's actually trying to walk towards the control interface. Why don't you try
try to
pressing
press that big red button? Type walk destination control interface. But why does it ask the other guy to control and walks up to it himself? That's weird. Thanks for the suggestion, Jeremy. Let me give it a try.
What?
Type walk. Go.
Holy!
Go.
There's actually a sequential action.
Yes.
Wait. Just one sec. What did you do last time?
I just gave it a bunch of more objects in the vicinity.
Okay.
I didn't even start giving more actions. Let me see. Walk, type, talk. Hey, Jeremy, do you have any suggestions of fixing the oxygen indicator? Hey, Morgan, I think I might have an idea for fixing the outage indicator. Let me check something over here. Type walk, destination, control interface. Oh, everybody walks to the control interface. Walk, a guy walks to the control interface too. Talk, can someone tell me what this button does? Oh my god! They're doing stuff! Okay, I see. Hey, Jeremy, do you have an idea how to fix... Wait, why does... Okay, I think Morgan has some problem because last time too, like, it keeps repeating stuff. I don't know if it's a bug or but I would tend to believe that it's some bug somewhere in our code. Destination control interface. I have an idea how to fix it. Let me see if the wrench fits here. What was that? That was a cat. What if I put a cat in the control interface? Okay. Okay. That's illuminating, I guess. Everybody focuses on control interface because they don't have a lot to work with.
Yeah.
So okay, let me further now do this.
Actually, do you want to change check to examine? Just something more concrete, I guess. Yeah.
Type what else? Punch. Kick. What else? Wrong.
I would. Yeah, I think this is.
Okay.
So run should that be destination as well?
You know what's good? You give it even like a emotion.
Whoa.
Oh no, it broke. Oh wait, that's because I see. That's because the action
It's the validation error.
What do we do here? Okay, let me do this. Let me just make it more permissible. Object z.string target z.string optional destination. We're gonna come back and fix this later. Okay.
Okay.
Message z.string optional. Okay. Just make it more permissive. I can't wait.
Honestly, I think the dot validation part is actually really helpful, especially in AI use cases. You might have all kinds of inputs, outputs.
Okay. No, failed once. Okay. Yeah, it's still this common thing.
Okay.
Okay. Let's check. They still kind of all congregate toward the control interface. Wait, did I reset? I did reset, right? All right. What the hell? Type examine, control interface, talk. Come on, guys, let's focus on. Okay. Wow. Just imagine this in the UI. Type examine, target control interface. There's not much they can examine. Control interface. Just imagine you have another agent that keeps creating stuff. All right, team. Yeah, examine, control interface, type talk, target examine. Nobody jumps, nobody kicks, nobody presses button. What else can we add? Okay, let's add one more round of things, then we call it a night, I guess.
Okay.
Come on, guy.
Control. What if you take away control interface?
What do you put here?
Control panel.
That's the same thing.
Sure.
Okay.
Oh, that's where the red button came from.
Yeah.
I was wondering why red button.
Yeah. So let me actually break it down.
Yeah, maybe changing it to control panel was.
You know what? I want to go crazy. I want to go like. Oh, we already have control panel. We have oxygen. This thing. Okay. I want to do red button.
Button. Danger.
Whatever.
Launch. Okay. On maybe position on the control panel.
And then I want a green button. And I want a yellow button. I don't think it's giving them a good, easy time. I don't think I'm helping.
Maybe just remove the duplicated control panel.
Sure.
What if you add
Duct tape.
an exit sign?
Nice. Position.
On the floor.
And then description. Position, maybe 5
Sure.
meters south. All right.
Nice.
Yeah, we do need a critique. I can see the value because critique is gonna like check things up and see if they did overboard and all that.
But critique should be easy to add. Just another worker within the workflow.
Control panel. Oh no. Something went wrong. Okay, let's ignore that. Okay. Examine control panel, operate control panel. All right, let's try focus on this problem. Operate calmly. Examine control panel. Hey guys, I think I might found a solution. Let me just type punch target. Oh my god.
This is so Guy. Like, he doesn't even think about the consequence. He just press the button.
Oh.
Oh man.
You see, that's the key. You just give it more room to work with. Okay. Guy,
Guys.
nothing happens. Okay, we need some kind of environment feedback.
Yeah, true.
Feedback to it, right? Actually, this is the time when the game mechanics mechanism is going to feedback onto the scene. This is where it happens. Okay, we just need to design a super general one. Examine control panel type talk. Okay, guys, focus blah blah blah, because he's not aware of the consequences the guy took, so he just keeps, okay. Type control examine. Jeremy, examine. Come on. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is when it breaks. I think the only time it breaks, the only kind of type that it breaks is this extra stuff in here.
Okay.
So I would say, it's trying to give the reason. This might help in preventing Guy from causing further trouble.
I guess just as a last resort, bring back the lost index of.
I'm thinking. Okay, I'm thinking. We can do that. I actually want to try one more thing. Okay, one more thing. I want to try one more thing. Because it likes to give a reason. So we give it the outlet to give reason. How about that?
Ooh.
You see what I mean?
Interesting. Okay.
Well, if it likes to give reason, then just give it the reason. Place to give reason. Okay. So, where's the example one? Oh yeah, here. I'm gonna do reason. Oh, actually actions.
Maybe just on the same level as actions, yeah.
Yeah. Emily responds to the cat's presence with a friendly greeting. Actually, it might result in better response
I'm hoping so.
because this is sort of like syncing step by step. Okay.
Yeah.
So and then example 2, we're making history and nobody's watching us. Okay, example 2, action, reason. Okay. Now, yeah, in the validation, I also do I okay. We can just ignore the reason. Okay, doesn't matter. We this kind of discards reason by default because we do dot object
Yeah.
action, right? You like action, you like to explain. I'll give you a way to explain.
By the way, what does reset do?
I don't even know the difference of between reset and clear.
Okay. So far, so good.
They examine a lot of things.
I wonder if they prefer generic verbs.
Okay, we can next time we start, we can keep trying this and see. I want to keep trying this a little bit more. Talk, examine, red button, operate the red button.
Interesting. Holy shit. This is really building a game on its own.
You think?
What's happening here?
I think that's the that's the summary breaking up. Yeah, I think the summary broke.
Oh,
I think we need to re-engineer the summary anyways.
probably, yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god, what the hell? Wow, it's hallucinating game now. Okay, what the?
Holy cow, what is it doing?
I think it's gonna keep hallucinating game until it run out of the character limit.
Oh man.
So yeah, we need to work on the summary part next time too.
Yep.
Are we using one shot for the summary? I don't think we're using one shot.
I think we copied that template to summary, maybe.
Okay. Yeah. Let's do that next time.
Yep.
Nah. Okay. Let's just quickly last thing examine what it generated. Okay. What the hell is going on with oxy indicator? Come on guys, let's focus on examine control panel. Oops, sorry about that. Picks up wrench and accidentally drops it. Oh, he's doing action in line. Oh, wow.
Interesting.
So if we give it more freedom, like pick up, oh yeah, I forgot about pick up. It's supposed to pick up and carry stuff.
Maybe we can just put it as generic, speak about something and then do something.
I don't know. We'll try. We can try next time.
Yeah.
Examine control panel, talk. I wondered what the reason is. I think yeah. Focus. Okay. Did you see that? Morgan is the calm one. I remember seeing like one of the reasons they gave before was like he was trying to prevent Guy from messing up. But he couldn't do much. So the best thing he could do is talk and examine, set an example himself.
Oh man.
Man, we're really giving them a hard time. Like because examine the control panel, blah blah blah, talk. Yeah, not much else going on. Examine control panel. Examine control panel. Yep. Okay. Maybe. Okay, next time we have two things we can work with. I think the summary we can sort of, when we get to it, maybe we'll do an overhaul of the summary.
Yep.
Next time we can do, let LLM generate these actions in vicinities. Oh, sorry. We cannot let LLM generate vicinities. The vicinity must be from the game mechanics.
Yeah.
Program. But we can ask LLM to. Can we?
I think we need to think about it more.
Okay.
Maybe as a discussion topic next time. Let's see if we do give LM more control over what's in the game, what they can do, what kind of additional safeguard we need to add.
What? Okay, I have one idea off the top of my head. If we give them very base form of actions like walk, talk, jump, raise the hands up, hands down, maybe 10 base action.
Sure.
And then we ask them to sort of come up with more advanced, complex actions that consists of the base actions.
Yep.
Maybe that'll work. We don't know. Okay, that's one thing we can do. What the other thing we can do? Yeah.
Maybe just add a comment here in this file. I'm too lazy to pull up the project board.
Yeah, it'll be 4 days and we will all forget.
Yeah. I'm already forgetting what I did this morning.
Okay. Examining. Examining. What did I say? What did I say?
Let LM generate vicinity information, limit 10 actions, sort of.
I mean, let LM generate actions. Maybe from a set of basic actions. Okay, good.
Cool.
The other thing we want to try is because we're overfitting the space scenario, right? Try and entire difference.
Yes.
How about that?
Okay. I think number 2 requires some sort of coordination between the supervisor and the worker. Yeah.
I think chances are we're gonna make we're gonna have to make this workflow more complex next time.
Probably. I guess if we're making it more complex, it would be a good time to demo the dashboard if we're ready. At least the basic version.
I think we'll be ready next time.
Nice.
Oh, if you, I can show you real quick right now. Like any of the dashboard here, click on here. Kai, have you seen it? I don't think I have seen it. So if you set a time window to be like this is exactly what happened. Just now, I click on this. Each bubble is a data point. Yeah, that's the real data. That's our data right there. It's right there.
That's something.
Well, if this doesn't work, we are doomed. I just said that in live stream, but nobody watches. Also, yeah, I'll talk to you guys offline about this.
Okay.
All right, let me end the live stream right now. So,
thanks, everyone.
bye, everyone. Let me end this on the live stream.